Hi, welcome to the Science Museum. My name's Sam, and today we're looking at the states of matter and the changes between them. And we're going to be using one of the coolest things we have here at the Science Museum. Not me, it's liquid nitrogen.
Sam and Alexandra demonstrate a variety of fun experiments in Wonder Lab at the Science Museum. Title: Liquid Nitrogen.
Now, liquid nitrogen is minus 196 degrees Celsius, which is an extreme change of temperature from the room temperature around us here. And we're going to use that extreme change of temperature to do some pretty fun things. So Alexandra has a rocket balloon filled with gas that she's breathed into it. The container is filled with liquid nitrogen. So let's see how Alexandra's gaseous breath that is filling up all the space in the balloon reacts to meeting the minus 196 degrees C nitrogen. As you can see, the balloon shrinks. And this is because when the gas in the balloon gets cold, it condenses, it turns into a liquid. And liquid takes up about 1,000 times less space than the gas. Alexandra's now going to take the balloon out of the nitrogen, and you should hopefully be able to hear her breath sloshing around in the balloon as a liquid.
Alexandra shakes the liquid in the half-deflated balloon.
But very quickly, the heat from the air, room temperature about 22 degrees Celsius, goes into the cold liquid breath in the balloon and turns it back into a gas. And the balloon swells up again. And now we're going to be doing a demonstration where we can see all of the basic states of matter and the changes between them. So Alexandra has a bottle in which we're pouring liquid nitrogen. And as the liquid nitrogen is so much cooler than the air around it, it's already boiling. You can see it bubbling throughout and turning into a gas. We're going to trap this gas in a balloon, and you can see it's already starting to inflate. We are then going to make this process speed up by putting the bottle into water, which is a better conductor of heat. The nitrogen turning into a gas takes up 1,000 times the space it did originally. This is going to keep inflating until the balloon explodes. And you'll see all that cold nitrogen in the air condensing this water around it and looking a bit like a cloud. If Alexandra takes the bottle out of the water, you can see it's encased in ice. This is because the heat has moved out of the water into the cold liquid nitrogen contained within the bottle, causing the water to freeze. And if we stayed looking at that ice long enough, we'd see it melt. So that's all of the basic states of matter and the changes between them using the awesome liquid nitrogen.
Science Museum Group.